Alright guys, we made it to Fort Davis, Texas, and we're gonna be staying in this camper right here because tomorrow we're going to the Guadalupe Mountains National Park. Let's go check it out. You ready to go inside?
Yeah, I want to go inside.
You wanna go inside? Let's go check out that camper. Ooh, oh, this looks nice.
Wow.
What you think? This is perfect.
Close the doors so like flies and stuff don't come in.
And then back here, got a master bedroom. We got some closet space here. This is perfect. Oh, look at this. We got a shower in here. What? Yeah. This is awesome. Shut the door when you come out. So I think this camper is gonna be perfect for us, especially after having a night in the teepee. Because the teepee, it was fun, it was a great experience, but Beckett had a little bit of trouble falling asleep, so it'll be nice to have something that feels more like home. Got the kitchen and the stove, man. Well, this is gonna be great. Let's unpack. I think that's everything from down there. Alright guys, we got our stuff inside. The plan for today and tomorrow morning, we need to get some gas, we need to get some dinner, we're gonna sleep, we need some breakfast. That means we probably need to find a restaurant and maybe a grocery store. The restaurants are killing us with our budget. And also gas is a little more expensive here. I haven't seen the gas station here in Fort Davis, but over in Marathon it was like $3.27 a gallon. So I'm hoping to find something at $3 and under so we don't spend as much as I think we're gonna spend on gas. Oh boy. Alright guys, we made it here. I don't know if there's dinner here. It's definitely some kind of store. They have tables in there. Let's go check it out. Hello.
Ham.
Cheese?
What kind of cheese you want?
American.
Dinner. What you see?
Oh no, Darth Vader.
Whoa! What sound does he make? Does he go? Yeah. It's great meeting you, man.
Absolutely. Take care. Drive safe.
Absolutely. Thank you. Appreciate it. That was $38.75. How's your sandwich?
It's really good.
Yeah. I watched them make it. It looked like it was good.
How's your sandwich? Yeah.
It's really good. Pastrami, avocado, olives, lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, mayo, spicy mustard.
Delicious.
My sandwich is delicious too. It's a ham sandwich.
Oh, I got one.
It's just ham. Ham sandwich.
Can you hold that? Can you hold that? Can you hold that?
I've got a question for you. Do you know what this is?
Yeah,
What is that?
I know.
You
A
don't.
telephone.
It is a telephone. Look, listen to the sound it makes. Does it make a sound? Let me hear. Nope, it doesn't make a sound. It must not work anymore. Yeah. It's gonna be a relic one day.
And you pick up on it.
Yep, press the buttons. Who are you talking to? Is that Mimi on there? Or is that Grammy and Grumps? Who are you talking to?
That ain't me.
That's Mimi? What is Mimi saying?
I know.
I think she's saying, did you have fun at the teepee? Yeah, you're so silly. Okay, let's call Grammy and Grumps now.
Yep.
Okay, you got it? Oh, I think they're on the phone.
Wait, another.
Oh, you got it? Okay, yes. Get them all. That's a lot of telephone numbers.
So that.
Hey,
Is he even Hello?
is that Grammy and Grumps?
Yeah,
What did they say?
I know.
You don't know what they said?
Give me that up pew pew.
you got a poo-poo? He's so silly. Alright guys, so we found a grocery store, which is one of the things we needed, and they also have gas, and it's also only $2.99. So I'm excited about that. We need to fill up still though.
$2.99 a gallon?
Yep. Pack it. Come on. Okay, go on in. He's so silly.
Okay, so I got eggs. I got enough breakfast sausage to take.
$66.91 for 2 days, 3 days maybe of groceries. Well, we ate dinner. That means it's time for ice cream, and Krista found this cute little caboose place. Oh, like the whole shop is inside. This is cool.
We got that one. Strawberry.
Sorry, we're coming right at closing. What you gonna get? Back over there? The cutest little ice cream shop.
I know.
Ooh, that looks so good. This one is for you.
Alrighty. Thank you so much. Is it good?
Look.
Exit out this way. Well, that was the funnest little ice cream shop. $6.50 for 3 of those. Well worth it?
Yeah, so I'm guessing each of them was 2.
2 something. There you are. We're looking for you. Let's eat some ice cream. Is it yummy? Do I get a bite? I don't get a bite.
You're done.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, Dad, want some of my cookies?
Is that sherbet? What'd you get?
Rainbow sherbet. I got cookies and milk. I got rainbow sherbet.
Thank you. Thank y'all for sharing. See, Dad just wants a little bite and that's it. Alright guys, we're stopping to get some gas. Porter's was closing. We wanted to go get the ice cream before they closed, and so we just found a gas station along the way. It's a little bit more. So let's see how much this is. This will get us to where we want to go tomorrow though. So this is $3.03 a gallon. 3 cents more than what I wanted, but that's okay. That was a fast bump. $49.05. Jeez. Ready?
Yep.
We got groceries, we got gas, we got ice cream, we got food. Now let's go sleep. How's that sound, Mom?
I'm sorry, I thought you were finished with your video.
That's okay.
After I take some melatonin, it's going to sound great.
We're going to sleep. You saying hi to your new friends?
Wow.
Yeah? What's his name? Is that Bert?
No, that's duck.
That's a duck?
No, that's bird.
I think it's a turkey. It's a little baby turkey. Wow.
There was chicken.
It's a chicken?
Yeah.
Oh. You like the chickens? It's kind of fun, huh? He's gonna try and get you. Run free, little man. Run free. More things to bring in. Alright, we've got to find a place for all this stuff now. Light.
Dad, you know the camera's recording.
Yep, what you gonna tell them?
I don't know.
What do you think about this Airbnb?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
It looks so different.
Is this yummy?
Now over that.
Oh, you want to see the picture? Like that?
Right there.
Look.
No, right there. Right there, Dad.
Right here? Is he gonna fit right there? But look, all we can see is your hair now. Look, it's right here. You gotta show it to right here.
It's gonna touch it. Don't touch it.
Is that your breakfast?
So they have a few dogs. They have a white one. Way over there is is the brown one. And they sure are friendly. And over here, some chickens. They just have to peck at the grass and pick through the fence. This white one's like, what the heck is happening? Hello.
The white one, whenever the brown one was coming, the white one tackled it.
Oh, yep, you're jumping up again. Lick me.
Hey, Becky. Becky, he might lick you. Hey, Becky. Hey.
Do you like them, Becky?
Hi, how are you? Hello. Hi. Did you sleep well? Sam? Hey, Sam. Hey, did y'all sleep well last night?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, goodbye.
Y'all were nice. Y'all were our great hosts. Because we didn't meet our Airbnb hosts, so y'all did a good job.
Yeah. With all your cuteness.
He's so cute.
Now, do you want to get a dog?
No. Hey, Becca, did you sleep well last night? Are you feeding the dogs?
A dog.
He's got a little extra
Sam, sit.
that you're feeding them. You can throw it back into their bowl. Good job. How did you sleep last night, little man? Did you sleep good in between mom and dad? Good morning, guys. Everyone got a great night's sleep here tonight. Krista took a melatonin last night, so she made sure that she got a good night's sleep. And this camper was actually pretty functional for us. But now we want to go out to Marfa, Texas, because there is this weird art thing that I want to show you guys before we head to our next national park. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the weird thing that I wanted to show you guys today. So here in West Texas, it's an art installation, and it is a sealed Prada store. It's called Prada Marfa. Marfa is a city near here, but it's actually in Valentine, Texas, if you're looking at it on a map. And this was erected in 2005. So all of the shoes and purses that are here are from 2005, and they haven't been touched since then. And I love these random things.
Hey, Mom.
So around the store here, you have a gate, and there's all these locks on here. You found a lock, Beckett? Oh, it's a big red one. That one's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Another one.
And that one? How many can you find? How many locks do y'all think are on here? Ooh, I wonder if you could pick the lock. You think you can pick it like a detective? Ooh, there you go, a combination lock. Did y'all realize that there are this many locks in the world? Like different kinds? And there's love locks all the way around. I kind of want to know how many are on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Go ahead and include this, 97. 90. There's about 100 on each gate. And there's 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. So for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 46, 47, 48, 49. What's 49 times 7? So my guess is that there's about 2,500 to 3,000 locks all the way around. So this is technically considered a sculpture, and it will never function as a place of commerce because the door cannot be opened. Because there's no handle on the door, and it's locked. Look, I think that's a security camera right there too. I wonder if that's a live webcam feed. That'd be such a cool idea. Pretty neat roadside attraction, huh? Yeah. Time to get back in the adventure mobile. Alright guys, we drove and we are now at the Guadalupe Mountains National Park. If you guys want to see our day at the Guadalupe Mountains, click that video right there on the screen. We'll see y'all in that video. Thank y'all for watching, and travel somewhere.